On the 30th of August, 3D printed storage will never be the same again. The multiboard system, which is already overpowered and has over 957,000 total downloads, is getting the biggest upgrade yet with the Multipoint update. We're introducing 134 new designs, which, including all of the variation, adds up to over 4,000 new parts to Multiboard, essentially tripling its size. What is coming is a reimagining of what a modular 3D printed board and bin system should be like, allowing bins to have multiple functions and fit anywhere. And it's finally here! On the 30th of August, the Multipoint update will be launching, so go and join us over at community.multiboard.io to be the first in the know when it comes out. And of course, be sure to tell your friends and keep making.